In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam region, store and wallet country, step by step. Changing your Steam store region is straightforward when you've actually moved or are traveling and have access to a local payment method. I'll walk you through two ways, updating the country during checkout and adjusting it from your account details, and I'll explain what to expect so nothing catches you off guard. First, the checkout method. Open Steam in the desktop app or on the website and sign in. Pick any game or in-game item you intend to buy and proceed to checkout. During checkout, Steam automatically detects the country you're currently in. You'll see an option labeled Update Store Country. Click that, then enter valid local billing information for your new country. This means a payment method issued there and a billing address that matches. Complete the purchase. As soon as your payment goes through, your store region and currency update automatically. Prices across the store will now display in the local currency, and your wallet country aligns with this change. If you don't see the change right away, give it a minute or restart the client so Steam can refresh your account settings. You can also review and update your country from your account. Open Steam, click your profile name in the top right, and choose Account Details. In the Store and Purchase History area, select Update Store Country. Choose your new country from the list. When prompted, add a local payment method from that country. Providing a local card or payment option is what confirms the move. Without it, Steam won't finalize the change. After you add it, your store and wallet country will reflect the new location. A few quick notes to help this go smoothly. Steam expects you to be physically located in the country you select, and it may verify that during checkout. Using accurate billing details is essential. Mismatches can cause payments to fail or the region change to be reversed. Some games and wallets have regional restrictions, so once you switch, pricing and availability can differ from what you saw before. Try not to switch countries frequently, as that can trigger extra verification. And that's it. Use the checkout method for the quickest automatic update, or confirm the change from account details if you need to review settings. Follow these steps, and your Steam store and wallet country will be set to your new location.